Hello, Basehor. Welcome to the Superintendent's Minute for April the 21st. I'm Doug Powers. Tomorrow is Earth Day, which first began in 1970, but became largely popular in the 1990s, or the late 1900s, as our teenagers today would say. Today, over 190 countries engage in the largest secular observance in the world, a day of action to change human behavior and create global, national, and local policy changes. Locally, our tireless Tammy Potts keeps Basehor residents pitching in with an Earth Day community cleanup. This year is taking place tomorrow, April the 22nd. If you'd like to help out, meet at the First Baptist Church in the parking lot at 9 a.m. to enjoy breakfast burritos from the Basehor VFW, gooey biscuits from Perky's Cafe, and water bottles from First State Bank and Trust. Trash bags and disposable gloves are being donated by the City of Basehor, and after the cleanup, of course, there will be a judging of the best and most unique litter found. Have a great weekend.